this is Rishav Ojha from Future Campus School, Kolkata on Bloom Talks. First of all, I would love to thank Arihan for giving me such a platform to speak on a topic which is always being discussed by my parents at my home. My topic for today is importance of emotional health for a happy life. This topic is really the need of the day and very basic of life. Now, why is emotional health important for our daily life? Emotional health is like being in self-satisfaction and happiness. Now, why do we become happy? Many of us don't know the actual reason why do we become happy. And that reason apparently varies from a person to person and individual to individual. But happiness is connected to the emotions which we have. Emotions are scientifically controlled by the hormones which are being produced by our body, and it also lies in our conscious and subconscious mind. We are social animals, hence whatever profession, aspiration or success we choose in our life, it is really very much important to have a healthy and a happy family support, a happy and a healthy mental support from our happy family. We all are now from nuclear families. Many of us are from nuclear families. Hence, the children of a nuclear family would want their parents to bring them up in a healthy and a happy, with a healthy and a happy mental support in a happy background, where the children can share all their problems with the parents. Since the world is full of ups and downs, the life is full of ups and downs, and they face many problems in their life. In our school also, we don't have too much of friends and we have that so-called classmates. So I would love to thank my parents and my teachers for helping me always. Whenever I have faced any problem, mentally they have supported me like anything. Thank you very much. Yes, it is true. Whenever you face any problem, you should share with your parents, your teachers or anyone, and not bring extreme destruction on yourself by taking drugs or committing suicides. My parents say, sing for yourself, dance for yourself, play music for yourself. They say, don't do it for appreciation, do it for yourself. Yes, they are correct when they say like this to me. You should not always do something for appreciation, you should do something for yourself. And avoid people who bring negativity to your world. You should choose friends very choosefully and not take someone who can disturb your mental health. Let us all come together and build a world where the parents care their children, the children care and love and respect the parents, the students respect the teachers, and no one is